Hey guys, I'm going to go ahead and open up my Cash App and you're going to see something pretty sad. So let me just get out my phone and I'm going to show you guys exactly what I'm talking about. So let me just get it out right here and I'm just going to go ahead and open up the Cash App and I'm going to go over here. And as you can see guys, at the moment I only have 68 cents. But in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get a ton of money in your Cash App. And it's pretty easy and it's pretty cool. So let's get right into the tutorial. So what you want to do guys is go with this website. The website is right here. It's called ogtasks.com. So ogtasks.com, this is the website you want to go to. So once you're on the website, guys, you're going to basically be able to go ahead and earn free money. So once you're here, guys, you just want to go ahead and put in your Cash App ID. So when you're doing this, guys, I want to tell you, make sure you put in that money sign beforehand or this will not work. It needs to recognize your ID. So once you've done that, just go ahead and press earn and then just give it a minute to load. And basically, before you can go ahead and do it, you have to go ahead and complete these tasks. So this is how you're going to get the money. You don't just get it. You have to download these apps and complete the instructions. And each app you download, guys, is going to give you $75. So it's pretty cool. I'm honestly not sure how this works, but basically, you just download the app. So I'm going to press earn. It's going to take me over to the App Store, and I'm going to go ahead and download the app. I complete the instructions. I earn $75. Keep doing that, and you're going to get a lot. So I'm going to download IRL Social Calendar as the first app. I'm going to show you two apps in this example. So while this app's downloading, I'm going to go ahead and go back onto the list and download another one. So I'm going to do iHeartRadio. It's going to take me over to the App Store again, and I'm going to download the app. So now I'm going to go to my home screen and just give it a minute for these to download. They're pretty small, so I'm not expecting a long wait time. So the calendar is already downloaded, so I'm going to open it up. And basically with this app, all I have to do is put in my email address, just stay on the app, do some basic interactions, and I should be good to go. So let me just go ahead and do that right here, as you guys can see. So it says get started. And also guys, I'd like to tell you if there are different apps than what you see in the video, that's totally fine. Guys, it is all based on region. So I'm just going to go ahead and put in an email address right here for this IRL social calendar app. So let me just do that, and I'm pretty much good now. So I'm going to move over to the other app, which was the iHeartRadio. So this app had similar instructions involving signing up for an account, which is completely free to do. So I'm getting $75 per app download and instructions followed. So I think that's a pretty good deal. So I'm just going to go ahead and put in an email address for this app as well. So let me just go ahead and do that right here. And now I just have to put in a password. So let me just type that in, as you guys can see. All right, let me just put it in right here. And now I just have to go ahead and put in birth year. So let me just put that in as well. And then my gender. And then what is my location? So let me just type that in. And I should be good to go. The iHeartRadio sign up is completed. So yeah, guys, pretty awesome with this trick. I'm honestly blown away it actually works, but it does. So I'm just going to go ahead and just be on the app for a little bit, just like, touching around, doing some basic interactions, and we should be good to go. So I'd say I've spent a decent amount of time on the app. So what I'm going to do now is go ahead and open up Cash App, and let's see if we got any money into our account. So I'm going to open the app. Let me just do that right here, and let's load it, and 68 cents is still the balance, but let's give it a minute for that to change, and $150. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Definitely try this one out for yourself and just keep going. Download more apps, earn more money. Super cool. I'm going to see you guys later and peace out.